Alright, we're back at it on Monday, and just watching to see what direction we're headed. It's been kind of ranging these past few days, um, but we do see a bit of an uptrend. It's not technically an uptrend because it's not higher highs, but it is compressing against this big resistance zone here. And so I'm just kind of watching this moment here. It's kind of converging with this trend zone too. So if it looks like it's starting to reject, if we see a distribution candle close here, I'll probably hop right into a short. But it could most certainly break out. And then at that point, I would be waiting for a retest of this zone and entering a long. So two very simple scenarios, but yeah, that's just kind of what I'm waiting for. I don't necessarily want to jump into long, even though the day is mostly green on crypto. It's still kind of ranging and compressing against this resistance zone, so like I said. So it's just kind of wait and see today. But I do have some watches to go through with Litecoin. We're definitely seeing some ranging for like the past week, almost the past 10 days. So yeah, I could draw probably a better resistance zone here. This one's kind of big. So we will watch Litecoin. This actually probably shouldn't be on my watches. I probably should set an alert once it enters this resistance zone, but I'll go ahead and do that after the video. Uni is similar to Bitcoin. It's reached this resistance zone here that it's been rejected at twice before, maybe even 3 times if you count that. But we're gonna wait and see what happens. Like I said, if it's a distribution candle that closes here on the 4-hour, I'll take a short down to this support zone. Sushi's another one that I'm watching. We'll see how this one turns out as well. Although I feel like this zone it's at isn't as strong as this one here. These wicks, these long wicks here. So I don't know if it will reject here or there, but I'm definitely gonna watch it either way. So same thing with AVE. I don't really have a support zone drawn here, but I should. Something like that. Probably want to include that wick. And something like that. So again, just waiting to see how that reacts to the zone. Mana's a bit different here. It's got the strong uptrend going for it. But this looked like a pretty strong resistance zone to me here. So I'm waiting to see how it'll react. I might short it if it rejects, but I definitely want to see if I can get in a long somewhere on this trend zone here. Because I really like these wedge formations. They seem to eventually break their support or resistance zone if the trend holds. So wait to see how that turns out as well. And a dot is like these other ones up here. So just draw a quick support zone here. I like that. And we still have this trend line here. I haven't checked this out yet, but this is kind of like the weekly trend line that Bitcoin just broke last week. Or was it 2 weeks ago? That was 2 weeks ago, yeah. So I'll keep that on the chart for now, but I don't think it'll, maybe it will hold, I don't know. We'll see. So anyway, that's my watches today. Again, we're just waiting to see how this strong resistance zone turns out for Bitcoin. So yeah, we'll leave it there.